Is my home heat pump ready? Heat pumps can be suitable for almost all property types, from larger period properties to new build and terraced homes. Here are some things to think about. Where to install your heat pump? Air source heat pumps are installed outside of your property. An installer will be able to advise on the best location for installation, but this will typically be close to your home. It is important to ensure your heat pump is located in the correct place. This means it will need to be on a flat surface and should be placed away from drains, light wells, and other openings. Planning permission for a new heat pump. New planning rules in England mean that most air source heat pump installations will require no planning permission. However, most councils in England provide the following guidance. The heat pump must be installed within 1 meter from the property boundary. The heat pump dimensions can be up to 1.5 cubic meters. And you can typically install up to 2 heat pumps on a detached home. Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland have different regulations that should be considered. In Wales, the appliance must not protrude more than 1 meter from the side of your home. You must install the outdoor unit at least 1 meter from the property boundary. You can only install 1 heat pump on the property. You may need special approval to install a heat pump in a conservation area or a listed building. And the installation must comply with the requirements set out by MCS. Insulation and efficiency of your property. It is important to check the heat loss of your property before installing a heat pump. Your installer should provide guidance during the initial assessment. The level of insulation has a big impact on how efficient a heat pump will be for your home. The better you can insulate the home, the greater the savings. Your installer will also check other factors that contribute to heat loss for your home. For example, if you have older windows, your installer may recommend these are upgraded before you have a new heat pump. But regardless of the heating system, reducing heat loss in your property will save you energy and money. Underfloor heating and radiators. Heat pumps are suitable for both underfloor heating and radiators. Modern heat pumps are most efficient when operating at lower temperatures, typically around 55 degrees. This makes them perfect partners for underfloor heating as they cover a large surface area. Underfloor heating is usually more energy efficient than radiators and therefore cheaper to run. As a heat pump operates at a lower flow temperature than a traditional boiler, it may mean that your radiators are cooler to the touch. This is perfectly normal and your home will remain toasty warm. It could be that your existing radiators are suitable for a heat pump, but your installer must check your system thoroughly to advise if they are correctly sized for a heat pump to work effectively. To find your local installer, please visit glowworm.co.uk. Heat pumps by Glowworm.